Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy rainbow necklace for Pride Month. You'll need perler beads, parchment paper, wax cord, scissors, tube cord ends, E6000 glue, a lobster clasp, a small and a bigger jump ring, and 2 jewelry pliers. I'll link all the materials in the description box. If your perler beads are mixed like mine, take out a bunch in the rainbow colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and spread out your beads. Leave some space in between the beads and make sure they're all positioned with the hole upward. Place in the oven and let the beads melt until they don't melt any further. This should take about 5 minutes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please click the like button. Take them out of the oven and let them cool before removing them from the parchment paper. Grab your wax cord and slide your melted beads onto it in the correct order of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Keep repeating this until you feel like you have enough beads on your necklace. Then cut your necklace to the desired length and glue the ends of your wax cord into the tube cord ends with E6000 glue. Let dry for a bit and then attach the small jump ring to one of the tube cords and attach the lobster clasp to the jump ring. Attach the bigger jump ring to the other tube cord. That's it! It really is that easy to make a fun, colorful necklace using melted perler beads. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos.